It's a challenging time. There are habitats destruction, forest destruction in the rural area, and yet at the same time you have progressive development in the urban area. When we first came here, this area was used as a dumping site where people would just dump their garbage or rubbish here.
You couldn't walk here. It was mostly overgrowth, and the more overgrowth you have, the more trash gets trapped. It was not accessible, not easily accessible. It wasn't comfortable for people to walk. They'd fear there'd be snakes, there'd be this, there'd be that. I could trip, I could fall. There was no clear, but you couldn't see the path.
So we built this pollinator garden to change this place, to discourage people from throwing their garbages, from dumping their garbages here. So the pollinator garden main objective is actually to build pockets or spots of refuge to help bees, butterflies, even sunbirds, in general what we call pollinators, to ensure that they can continue to get food. They have place for them to reproduce. They have a place for them to live in as their habitat. This is where they can actually start helping us to make sure that when we have farms, when we plant fruits in our home, then they can keep on ensuring that we can always get our supply of food and vegetables. Our hope is always that we want more and more people to replicate, to copy this project and have it at everywhere that is possible for them. But I also like to see that we have more and more younger generation to be able to be involved with nature. Hello everyone. Choosing a site for your pollinator garden, first of all, I would choose a place where I have plenty of sunlight and it's close to a water source and the soil is good because I need to plant flowering plants and they need a lot of sun. Plants or flowering plants that I will choose, I love misai kucing, bunga telang because these are the plants that I notice they do attract pollinators. And lantanas, they are also known as bunga tahi ayam, so they are naturalized but they do attract quite a lot of animals and pollinators as well. In terms of the pollinators that have been attracted to the plants, I can see that sunbirds are attracted to the bunga telang, many types of butterflies are attracted to the lantanas, and bees, they are very much attracted to misai kucing. As you can see that how your garden actually evolved, you will see some plants attract animals, pollinators, some don't. So that's part of the learning. So add on more to the flowers that actually attract more plants. But the most enjoyable part, not an easy part, but it's still enjoyable and satisfying is when you start to weed. So this is where you can see your plants grow healthier. You start to water your plants, for being dried up and they start to bloom. So this is actually quite satisfying. Good luck and all the best. Bye.